Hawaii is one of the most sought after vacations. A tropical island with crystal blue waters and beautiful sand beaches. It's what so many people dream of. The only problem is the flights. Southwest Airlines can be one of the best ways for you to fly to Hawaii, especially if you're using miles. And there's actually an insane way that you can get double the value for your miles, and we're going to go over that later on in this video. One of the good things about Southwest's website is they have so many tools throughout it. And you can see with this one that there's a map view that shows you all the flights that go to Hawaii. And we're going to look at Honolulu since it's one of the most popular places to travel to. On the main search page, you can see a link to another tool, the low fare calculator. With this tool, you can search each month and it'll show you the lowest points per day. You can see the depart and return flights are $9,450 each way. This brings you to a round trip from LAX to Honolulu to 18,920 points, and it's only going to be $11.20 per person. Now, if you're somebody like us that lives on the East Coast instead of the West Coast, you may want to break up your flight so that you're not flying for 14 hours for an entire trip to Honolulu. We'd rather take one day flying to LAX and then another day flying from LAX to Hawaii. So we can see with this tool, we can find all the flights that go directly to LAX. We can even see which airports have direct flights. Now, how can we earn miles with Southwest? The easiest way is with the co-branded credit cards by Chase. Right now, any one of their 3 personal cards are offering 75,000 points when you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. Now, you're also going to get at least 5,000 points for spending the $5,000. So after you meet that minimum spend requirement, you're going to have 80,000 points. That's going to be enough for a family of 4 to fly to Hawaii on the flights that we just looked at. Now, we mentioned at the beginning of this video that there's a way that you can get double the value for your points, and it's with Companion Pass. Now, Companion Pass, it allows you to bring your traveling companion with you on every single flight that you book. And the way that you earn Companion Pass is 2 ways. You can either earn 125,000 points or with 100 flights. Now, the 125,000 points, it actually counts to the points that you can earn on your credit card, including the bonus. And once you earn Companion Pass, you're able to have that for the remainder of that year and the entire calendar year after that. So if you earn it right now, you'll have it for the end of 2022, as well as all of 2023. This may explain why Chase recently changed the terms of services for a lot of their credit cards. And one thing that they added in is that Chase, as well as their partners, have the right to take back points from you if you close one of their credit cards within a certain period of time. Now, when I was doing research for this video, I actually found an old article that a lot of people were doing to get Companion Pass, and they were signing up for a credit card, getting the minimum spend, getting the sign-up bonus, transferring those out to Southwest, closing the credit card, and then once it was closed, doing that cycle all over again so that they got the 125,000 points, and they were only keeping these cards open for, maybe 2 or 3 months, just so that they were able to get Companion Pass. But there's actually still a way that you can get Companion Pass without manipulating the system. And what you would do is you would sign up for one of the credit cards and get the 75,000 bonus points, as well as the 5,000 points that you would get for spending the $5,000. Then you would only need another 50,000 points for you to get Companion Pass. Now, how you get those extra points, you can either spend money using those cards, you can fly, or another way that you can do it is Chase has a really good referral program where you're able to get 10,000 points for every single person that you refer to one of the Southwest credit cards. And you're able to get up to 100,000 points over the course of a year. So really all you need to do is refer 5 people, and then you'll be able to get the Companion Pass. Now, if one of those people happen to be your husband, wife, significant other, and then they do that whole process as well, get Companion Pass, then you would actually be able to have a family of 4. Both of you would have Companion Pass, and you'd be able to bring your young ones along with you as well. Not to mention the 360,000 points that you would have through sign-up bonuses and referrals. So that's going to be one of the best ways for you to fly to Hawaii on miles. Now, Southwest credit cards, they are by Chase, so you're going to have to make sure you stay within the Chase's 524 rule. And if you want to know more about that, check out this video here. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.